really is gonna be the least compelling video I've ever made. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My power was out from Thursday until yesterday, so I had to do an oil change on my generator, which was running for like 48 hours. So I don't know what we're gonna do today. I wanna get started on the doors, kind of cleaned up, put back on the car. I still did not finish this one, but I have the other one, so let me go get that. We'll take a look at the hardware and we'll see what we're gonna do with this. All right, so let's take a look at this. This came out nice. I'm very happy with how this came out. Since this is Rust-Oleum, I let the Rust-Oleum go for a full week just to make sure it was fully cured. But yeah, you can see the difference between these two. Taking a quick look at this hardware. Hardware came out nice. These went something like this. Yeah, perfect. Okay. I have to go get some more paper towels. All right, what do we think? How does this look? So, for those of you curious about where this goes, all right, I believe it goes like this. Now, I don't really want to put this in yet because it's gonna catch my leg as I walk past it. I know it. Plus, I just want a little extra room when I'm putting a motor, if, you know, at some point I decide to put a motor in this thing. By the way, this isn't gonna, I have to pull this out a little bit. Looks like whoever put this in just really torqued the hell out of it. So I gotta pull this out, or bash it from the other side, I think. And then that side will fit, but this side fits good. Nice. All right, so I've prepped this table, completely emptied it off. By the way, for those of you who are interested in purchasing it, it will rust. So I've treated this with this, and I must have missed some spots. So I would recommend using this and use it a little bit more religiously than I have been. It's pretty good stuff too, so highly recommend it when you use it. All right, so I'm gonna try to take that and put it up here, but that thing is super heavy and not exactly in fighting shape right now. So through the magic of YouTube, I'm gonna snap my fingers. Come on. All right, I'm gonna get this up here, I promise. It's gonna happen somehow. It's up. Did it myself too. All right. This is like super dangerous. What are we even doing with this? So I got it on the table. This is the side with, there's a big dent. And you can see there's a support brace that goes right through the middle here. A lot of heavy stuff. I'd like to get the glass out. Trying to see how that happens. I guess this has to come off of here. That bushing is really bad. How does this come out of the track? How nice the inner rail molding or whatever. So these tints have to come off. The tints are garbage. All right, I'm gonna poke around a bit and I'll start recording when I'm able to do something. All right, these doors are probably gonna be the most complex part of this entire build. Okay. Oh, do you come out? Nope, that's gotta get drilled. I bought this power probe a long time ago. I've never used it, but maybe we should give it a try. So we can open the door. Alright, so this goes here. What's in here? Yes, it will. I need a battery though. Do this. This thing looks trashed. Alright, I'm gonna pop this out because it doesn't seem to be working. And then hopefully that'll free up the mechanism here and we'll see what happens. We should probably try testing this directly with the probe, but I don't know. Not optimistic. Alright, but we can move all this now. I think this is supposed to be a bolt or something here that's missing. Yep. Alright, so we're missing a bolt in this. Interesting. How does this connect to the window? These look like rivets. Let's rivet it on. I'm gonna try to take this stuff out. I think I bought, it's run channel molding. I think I got new. If not, I will buy new. Supposed to be like soft rubber. Jesus. I'm gonna have to brainstorm some ways to really cinch this down, I think, to the table. Ouch! Oh my god. This is miserable. Alright, so that follows that all the way down. Let's leave that for now. Anybody else who's done their run channel molding, does it come out in one piece like this? I mean, does it come out in one piece for you? Or is it like this? I gotta be doing this wrong. Nice coffee break. Alright, after taking a break and looking at this more, I think I need to loosen this and this. I think what that'll do is loosen this guide bar here. And then if you loosen this, you'll be able to push this down a little bit and pull it outwards. So I'm gonna change the battery in my camera and try that again. Somebody reached out to me on Discord and said, why do you jump around from project to project so much? And I said, what are you talking about? And then they said, well, you didn't finish the other bumper support. You didn't finish taping the thing. You finish some of the brake stuff, like putting the juice in and whatnot. They're right, I do that. Perhaps it's ADHD. Perhaps it is something else. Either way, it's tech debt. It has to be addressed at some point. All right, so those two are out. How nasty that thing is. Also scratched the heck out of this. All right, everything's much looser now. I don't know how this connects though. Like, there's a bolt here, but this side is riveted. So, does that even matter? Please don't break. I need the glass. For a sec. No, this has to come out. Ow! Oh God, are you serious? That's how it's, oh my God. All that time, all this damage. Ow, wow. Okay, we learned on that one. F***ed around and found out. Okay, the glass is out. I don't know if that recorded any of it. We got the window out. Oh God, I put a bolt in here to keep this thing from slamming on me. All right, I'm gonna finish digging out this run channel molding, and then we're gonna call it a day here. Is that what it was? Oh, you gotta tell me. This metal thing is attached to it, and that's why it's stuck. This whole thing is just trash. Okay. So, let's take a look. You can see here where I almost got through here completely. And here. Everything's out. I have to extract this. But look at this rust in here that we gotta handle. A little crack here. I think I'm going to try to clean it up, maybe paint the inside with the Rust-Oleum, put a little bit of that Silas stuff on it. I might actually paint this upper part around here. You know, this is really rusty. So this might all get sanded, and I might do like some trim black on this. This isn't like glossy, so. Yeah, now I'm gonna try to get that dent out somehow. I have no idea. If you do, let me know. All right, just as a little extra precaution, I put a little nylon strap here. Because if your finger's right here, that'll take it clean off, or it'll just hurt really bad. Next week, I'm gonna start taking care of the rust on this thing. And then I also want to cut these off, and I'm gonna throw these in the blast cabinet, clean them up, paint them. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna clean this out, vacuum it, maybe spray some rust reformer in there. I gotta buy some rust reformer. Yeah, so the reason why I'm trying to save this door is because this is pretty much all the rust there is down here. It's really just surface rust. This door is actually not in bad shape except for that one dent. 20 years ago, I should have got a new door for this, but I didn't. And I also want to keep my original sticker here, built January of 1989. Cool, so this broke off. I think the latches work fine, so I'm not that worried about them. And this door, I already took out the harness, which you can see down there. I might clean that one up as well before putting it back in. This part of the project, I had been pushing it off because these doors are like, they're pretty complex. I mean, it's not as complex in my head now that I've opened one up and took it apart, but there's a lot of little parts to it. I want to make sure that they go together the right way. But yeah, once the doors are back on, I still have to do the hatch. But we have some news coming soon, hopefully. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Kind of a short video today, but yeah, check out the Sleazy's Garage merch store. I hopefully have a new design coming very soon. Yeah, leave me any tips you have on working with these doors, because this was a cluster. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. This is crispy. Good chance I'm gonna scratch the paint putting these on, but it's all good, man. This is the weirdest f***ing design I've ever seen in my life. How'd this even get in here? Going back. What the f*** was that? Please don't do that. Oh my god, are you serious? Holy shit. I need like a complex lever and pulley system for this. Oh my god. Alright, that's going in the after blooper reels.